It's Monday, October 26, 2020. It's about 3:30 p.m. Laughlin, Nevada. The wind started yesterday evening, and one of our neighbors said she heard as high as 50. This morning on the weather we heard that's to 40. We were up most of the night. Couldn't sleep. We're rocking in here. The winds are supposed to be 39 miles an hour right now, sustained. And by 5 o'clock p.m. it's going to be dropping down to 35 miles an hour. Then at 11 p.m. we'll be back to 19. We're wishing for 19, my gosh. I'm trying to get all the close-ups I can get here. We have a couple of Patsy filming our front window. And since I got the driver's window down, it's been blowing around. I don't know if the camera's picking up through this. I'm seeing it on the viewfinder, the screen. That's the sound. I know that fifth wheel is blocking a lot of the wind from us. Thank God it's there. Longest wind we've ever been in, and I don't want to be in anymore. The radio did report earlier. Oh, I better shut this window. The radio did report earlier today that near Lake Tahoe, wind gusts were recorded at 114 miles an hour. All right, that's it for this one.